Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if Google Assistant isn't listening to you or you have microphone issues on Panasonic TV. First of all, let's navigate to the settings and let's check if the TV remote is properly connected. So let's go to remotes and accessories in settings. And if you don't see your remote control here, then select pair accessory. And even if you see your remote control, then you can simply select it, then select forget device, and then select pair accessory and start holding down the home button and the back button or return button at the same time. So hold them down for about 10 seconds until you see your TV remote on the sidebar and press OK to start pairing it. And once the TV remote is paired, and you can see it right here, let's go back and now let's go to privacy. Now in privacy, select Google Assistant and make sure that the voice control is enabled. If it's not, then switch the toggle on. And after that, just to make sure everything works properly, let's restart the TV by holding down the power button, then select OK to turn it off and wait for about 5 to 10 seconds for it to fully shut down. After that, turn it back on by short pressing the power button on your remote control once again and wait until your Panasonic TV starts up. And after the TV is restarted, give it about a minute to launch. And once it launches, let's try to press the microphone button on the remote control and ask Google Assistant to do something for us. So let me, for example, ask, what's the weather like outside today? What's the weather? Okay, it's a bit laggy. Let me do it once again. What's the weather like outside today? Okay, and as you can see, it performs operations well. Now, if this didn't fix the problem for you, then consider replacing the batteries in your remote control. So just remove the back cover from your remote control, remove the old alkaline AAA batteries from it and replace them with a pair of new ones. And after that, try using your voice assistant once again, and this should fix the issue. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.